Haley here with Colorado Realty and Property Management. So you've cleaned, packed up, and are ready to hand over the keys. Now, let's go over the final steps for your move-out process. Before you leave, place all keys, garage remotes, pool keys, and your carpet cleaning receipt on the kitchen counter. Your main set of keys should go into the lockbox at your property before 12 p.m. on move-out day. Once you're out, we'll complete a final inspection of the home. From there, we'll process your security deposit disposition and send it to the forwarding address you provided within 60 days of your lease ending. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to set up mail forwarding through USPS to make sure you continue receiving mail at your new address. So that's it. Your move-out process is complete. We truly appreciate you renting with Colorado Realty and Property Management, and we hope this video series helped make your move out simple and stress-free. If you have any questions, you can always reach us at 303-665-7368. We're happy to help.